Hello guys, this is another fun tutorial. Nope, this is not a fun tutorial. This is about tips and tricks about Windows 10. And let's get straight to the video. The latest update on Windows 10 has built-in emoji pack. So first open Notepad and then simply press Windows key plus full stop key and the emoji box will appear. It is very useful for chatting with friends and many more. If you trouble with your work with lots and lots of windows like this, just click the window you want and shake it. Boom! All the other windows were minimized. To get them all, shake that again, that window, and boom, all the windows were came back. My next one is slide to shut down option. It is a simple program that can shut down our device by sliding the screen. It is located in C, your hard disk, Windows System 32, and we make sure this System 32 fault is very dangerous, so don't touch anything you don't know about. And in the Windows 32, search slide to shut down and then that program will appear. Pin that program to start or taskbar. I have already pinned it to start, so I don't going to show it because you have to try it from my video. GodMode. Create a new folder in desktop. Name it as like this. I have already put that coding link in the description so you can get it in quickly. And then hit enter. Wow, the icon was changed and there was no name. It's like strange. And if I have opened it, all the services and other stuff was in front of your eyes. That was awesome. Cortana. Cortana is a popular simple virtual assistant built in for Windows 10. If you cannot see Cortana button in taskbar, right click the taskbar and enable Cortana button. And you can go to settings, privacy, speech recognition and enable offline speech recognition. And also under privacy, microphone, voice activation and enable Cortana and its all options. This is not unique for Windows 10. It is very simple. Open Notepad and type .log and save it. Make sure TXT extension is good, but I prefer to use capital LOG extension and save it with the nice name. Then open it and boom, it was automatically mentioned date and time when opening. And if you open it again, that time was automatically typed in Notepad. And finally, I gave you a bonus item. It was you can watch Star Wars Episode 4 movie in your command prompt. I think that was superb. From that, enable Telnet client. Close it and open command prompt and type Telnet Towel.blinkenlights.nl. If you have trouble with my voice and you to get it quickly, I will put it in the link in the description so you can get it, and type the code, and hit enter, and the film time was started. You can watch it. I don't show it because you have to try that and you have to be amazed. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe me and like this video, share this video, and don't forget to comment on the down. Thank you. We will soon at another next fun video.